Hello and welcome to What's in the Box, brought to you by Handle King. Today we're going to show you what to expect when unboxing your door handle. So first you will find fitting instructions with diagrams for the installation. You will also find two door handles, with a micro-tight spindle. Note that the grub screws are underneath the door handle to hold the spindle in place. This door handle is finished in satin stainless steel, however we also have matte black and copper versions available. You will also find two push-fit rose covers to conceal fixings. And finally you will have a bag of fixings in which you will find an Allen key, 6 wood screws and 2 bolt-through fixings which can be cut down to size. It is also important to note that you will need a latch when fitting a door handle, and these are supplied separately. So there you have it, what's in a door handle box, brought to you by Handle King. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe for more.